on to division now. So, here also you would have to have an idea of law of exponent. Can you figure out which law of exponent we are going to be concerned with?
We're going to do like a raised to m divided by a raised to n is equal to a raised to m minus n.
We will be using this. Okay. And then here also we do have a distributive law, right? For instance, let me just take it. Suppose you have A over B. Let's put it like this. A plus B plus C over D. What can we do about this? This is basically 1 by D times A plus B plus C. Do you have a doubt in this?
No.
Sure. Okay. Now we just we did multiplication, distribution of multiplication over addition and subtraction, right? So we can do the same over here. Multiply this to this, this to this, and this to this. So what is it gonna yield?
A plus B plus C over D.
Oh, that was there. What are we trying to do?
Oh, okay. We're doing distributive property. Okay, so it'll be A by D plus B by D plus C by D.
There you go. So you can separate it like this. D can be taken under A, under B, under C.
Yes.
Right. And long division is a separate thing. We'll talk about that a little later. Okay. So let's go into a few questions. Let's solve them. First one. Come on. What are you going to give as an answer to this?
Question is negative 56 MNP square by 7 MNP. So because they're like the same.
Is it monomial, binomial, or polynomial binomial?
Oh, okay. It's okay. Sorry, it's 7 MNP by negative 56 MNP square.
You are writing it. You're writing it inversely, I would say. This has to be in the numerator, and this has to be in denominator. You are dividing.
Oh, okay.
So you're not very clear with these concepts, right, Sarah? As I am.
It comes to that.
Okay. So actually, I am taking only a few questions. Because I sort of thought that you are already very aware of these things. But it's okay. I will sort of make sure that I take enough number of questions, right? Okay, so it's this gonna be in numerator negative 56 m n p squared over it's not 5, it's 7, right?
Yeah.
7 m and p. So just like we divide numbers, we are gonna have first negative 56 divided by 7. What is it gonna yield?
8.
Negative 8, right?
Yeah. So negative 8 MNP.
MNP
would be done. Yeah.
Don't you think that this is gonna be cancelled? Or if you want to subtract, let's say m power 1 minus 1, n power 1 minus 1, and p power 2 minus 1.
Yeah.
So what is it going to be? Minus 8 m power 0, n power 0, p power 1. In the first class, I talked about power 0, right? Anything power 0 is? Anything power 0 is?
Sorry, sir.
Anything raised to power 0 is?
Sir, your voice is breaking.
Am I audible to you, sir?
Yes, sir. Now it's audible.
So anything raised to the power of 0 is going to be?
1.
So where is m there? Tell me. It's 8
Oh,
times 1 times
times.
1. But there is a p there. P raised to 1 will be p, right?
Yeah.
So this is going to be negative 8p.
Yes.
Finished.
So, yeah. Okay. Understood. Yes, sir.
22. I'm creating a few questions on monomials divided by monomials. Yeah. Let's
Okay.
say it is p raised to 5 q r raised to 2 divided by, let's say we have 8 p raised to 7 q raised to 2 r raised to 5. Come on, get it done. This one. It shouldn't take much time. So
Yes, sir.
done. What did you get for an answer?
So I got, I'm not sharing this is right because it's like I got negative numbers. So 9 times 1 by p square, 1
5
q,
times 1
1
by p square. Okay, cool. And next,
1 by q,
1 by q. Very good.
1 by r raised to q. And
Very good.
1,
That's why I gave this sort of question. So it is basically 9 times p raised to negative 2. You know about this, right? If you have powers in the denominator, when you take it to the numerator, the powers are negative, right?
yeah.
This is q raised to negative 1 and r raised to negative 3. So any bit clear now? Monomial by monomial? Okay, fantastic. If it is
Yes.
clear, let's move to polynomial by monomial. Question number 2, for instance. What are you gonna write this as? Look, Sarah, just to to begin this solution. What is it? 9x squared y minus 6xy plus 12xy squared. I just told you the distributive law of division, right?
Yeah.
Minus 3xy, sorry, x. Okay, what are we gonna do? We
So
just
if we
understood
apply
that,
this
yeah.
property, it will become 9xy 9x square y by 3xy.
Negative 3xy.
Oh, it's negative. Okay, negative 3xy
I'm just writing the
plus.
rule over here, distribution.
Okay.
Is it visible to you? What device do you use?
A laptop.
Laptop. So it must be properly visible, right? It's full screen, right?
Yes, sir, it's visible.
Okay, okay. All right. So using this rule, 9x squared y divided by negative 3xy. Wonderful. There is a negative sign in between, so let it be.
Minus 6xy by 3x minus 3xy
Yes, negative 3xy plus
plus 12xy square by negative 3xy.
okay, fantastic. Right. Let the negatives be as they are at their positions. Okay. So now it is monomial by monomial only, right? Each term is a monomial by monomial, right?
Yes.
So let's get it done. 9 divided by negative 3. That's gonna be
Negative 3.
negative 3. X squared divided by x.
It's going to be x.
Very good. Y divided by y.
It's going to be 1. So,
So let it
nothing.
be. Okay, that's the first term. Done. Write a minus in between. Okay, do the second one under parenthesis. Okay.
Okay.
Under
The second
yeah, go on.
the second be uh negative negative, so positive
No,
2.
no, no, no. I am at the moment at this step. We are keeping this negative sign outside and doing the calculation inside this bracket. Okay, we'll change it
Okay.
later. Let's go step by
Okay.
step. The
So
textbook rule. Okay, go on. So this is going to be
it'll be
negative
negative,
2.
just negative 2.
Very good. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Under parenthesis again.
This will be plus 4 negative 4 by negative 4y.
That's it. Now open up the parenthesis and make it simplified. So this is going to be negative 3x.
Yeah,
Then
plus 2
plus 2.
minus 4y.
See, you got to follow a procedure, right? If you follow a procedure, you'll never make a mistake. Never.
Okay.
Understood that? So
Yeah.
whenever you find it difficult to understand how we are going to change the sign, use a parenthesis, a pair of parentheses. Okay. So we are comfortable with monomial by monomial and a polynomial by monomial, right?
Yes.
Now, when we go on to divide polynomial by polynomial, we use long division or factorization. Okay. But
Okay.
then factorization is a separate chapter. We have not gone into that yet. So we'll first learn the long division method. Okay.
Okay.
All right, good. Now tell me, how would you divide, let's say, I'm talking about numbers for now. Let's say 27 by 5.
27 by
5.
5. So if we were to do 27 divided by 5, we would get a decimal number because 27
Forget
isn't.
about decimal. I'm talking about quotient and remainder, not converting
Oh,
them. It's a mixed fraction that we are going to get, right?
yeah.
So go on.
So if it were a mixed fraction, it would be, I think, 5, 5 as the whole number, 5, and then raised to 2.
Raised to 2.
So not raised to 2, sorry, 5, 2 by 5.
Hmm. So long division helps us get the mixed fraction, right?
Yeah.
Let's do it over here. What is it? 5 5s are 25, and we get a difference that is a remainder of 2, right?
Yeah.
What do you call this?
A fraction. Oh, that's the remainder.
Remainder. What do you call this?
Quotient.
Quotient. What do you call this?
Product.
Dividend. This is called dividend.
Okay, dividend.
This is called divisor. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Why did we stop at 2?
Because 2 was the last number by which sorry, like 25 was the last number by like 22 was the remainder. So if we go further, we would have to apply decimals to find the
Yeah,
answer.
we stopped at 2. We stopped at 2 because 2 is smaller than 5. 2 is smaller than 5. There is no point in going any further. Right?
Yeah.
Same idea applies to the polynomials also, sir. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. How would you change? How do you check whether this division is correct or not? Do you know the idea? Checking whether
Uh,
division is correct or not.
yes.
What is it? The idea?
We would multiply the divisor by the quotient and then add the remainder, and if divisor times quotient plus remainder is equal to the dividend, then we got the right answer.
Absolutely. And the same works with the polynomials as well. That is why I introduced it like this. Okay.
Okay.
The same long division works with the polynomials. Very interesting.
Okay.
I'll show you. I will help you solve the first one. So let me erase this. Have you, taken notes that these are called divisor, dividend, quotient?
Yes, I have.
Okay, cool. Let's do the first one then. So look, Sarah, what are we gonna do is which one is to be divided by which one? Which one is the dividend? Which one is the divisor? What do you reckon? The first one.
The dividend would be 7x minus 9 and divisor would be
You're making
14.
again.
Wait, no,
Dividend.
no, no.
Dividend is the middle one, right? That's why I told you to take notes, right?
Yes.
I will write it over here. The middle one is called dividend.
Yeah, okay.
The one we are dividing actually is called dividend. The one we are dividing by is called divisor.
Yeah, okay.
And the actual answer, the answer of division is the quotient, right? And leftover is remainder.
Okay.
Now see, let's do this one. Let's do this one. It's be a cool question to begin with. So we have dividend as 14x squared minus 53x plus 45. And the divisor is 7x minus.
Okay.
All right. Now, the idea behind division is to reduce it, reduce the dividend. That's what we did in division of 27 also, right? Division of 27 by 5. We tried to reduce this.
Yes.
And to reduce, what are you going to do is, look, why did we take 5 over here? Because go on.
Because when we multiply the divisor by 5, we get the largest number that is the closest to 12, the divisor.
Yes, absolutely, absolutely. Absolutely. Wonderful explanation. So what are we going to do is, we are going to multiply 7x minus 9 by a monomial all the time.
Okay.
Okay. Now the
Yeah.
objective will be to get this 14x square somewhere. Okay. Obviously
Yeah.
it'll be in the first term.
Okay.
So that we can cancel out this 14x square. It is reduced. Okay.
Oh,
So
okay.
choose a monomial. Create a monomial which, when multiplied to this, gives us 14x squared somewhere. What are you
Two.
gonna what are you gonna choose?
2x.
2x. Wonderful. Not only 2, not only x, but 2x, because this is to be multiplied with 7x to yield 14x squared. Now it is
Yeah.
not only 7x that we are going to multiply it with. It's going to be 14x squared, and there will be a second term. What is that going to be?
14x square minus, so it'll be minus 9 into 2x. So that will be minus 18x.
There you go. Now place them underneath the like terms. So this is going to be 14x squared over here
Okay.
and negative 18x over here. You have to place
Okay.
it under the like term so that you can subtract, right? We understood vertical subtraction yesterday, right?
Yeah.
So now change the sign because we are subtracting it. So there's a minus here, there's a plus here.
So this will become, so 14x square will be cancelled,
Okay,
and then it will become plus 61x.
plus 61. Where from plus 61 comes? Look, we have a negative 53, a loan of 53, and a bank balance of 18, right? Negative
Yeah.
53 plus 18. What is it going to be? How is it going to be greater? I mean, negative 61 is much different from this. Negative 53 plus 18. What is it going to be?
Oh, okay. Sorry. Never. Wait, I got confused when I saw the plus over there. Wait. So it's going to wait 1 second. 53, 18, 13, 5, 4, 35,
35.
negative 35x
Absolutely.
plus 40.
Plus 45. Okay, we missed one thing. Do you know what we missed? We missed writing the 2x over here,
Oh, okay.
right? Because that's the whole point, right? We are dividing it to get the quotient.
Yeah.
Okay, next. We are not done yet. Why are we not done yet?
Because we still have we can still divide
We can
7x
still
minus
divide.
1.
How do you know that we can still divide? That's a question.
Because 7x is divisible by 35x and 9
Look, the
divisible.
degree, you recall degree? Degree?
Yeah.
Yeah, degree is the highest power, right?
Yeah.
Highest power on the variable here is 1, and
Okay.
here also is 1, right? It's
Yeah.
matching, right? As long as it
Yeah.
is matching, look, if the remainder has highest power or degree greater than the divisor or equal to the divisor, we continue to divide.
Okay.
Only when it has become smaller than the divisor, we will stop. That will be remainder.
Okay.
So it is 1, 1 still. The degree is 1 for each one of these. So we'll continue. What are you going to multiply to get 35? Tell me. Negative 35.
We're gonna multiply it by 5x.
5? Just 5
Oh, so
or
just 5, just 5, just 5.
just 5 or I mean negative 5. What is it? There is a negative
Or it'll
35
be
here.
negative.
Yes, negative 5. You gotta be careful with this, Sarah. So it's going to be,
Yeah.
if you multiply negative 5, what are you going to get? What all are you going to get in the expression over here? Negative
So
35
that's negative 35x minus 45.
plus 45 minus
Plus
minus 5.
45.
Yes. A little bit of care needs to be taken over here.
So it'll get cancelled again. No, not cancelled actually. It'll become, yeah, negative.
So
So here the entire thing will get cancelled.
Very good. Negative, negative, positive, negative. So 0. Now there is no point in continuing with this, right? We've got 0. 0 has degree. Come on, tell me. What is the degree of 0?
Zero, zero
I
raised
mean,
to
this polynomial, 0 polynomial, what would be the degree?
1.
No, it's going to be, actually it has degree not defined. Yeah, but let's suppose we got a constant here. Suppose we got a constant here. Suppose after subtraction we had got 2. What would be the degree of this? What kind of a polynomial is this?
So it would be raised to 1.
Raised to 0, yeah. Sarah, you're forgetting, right? 2x raised to 0 is 2, right? I mean,
So
when yeah, go on, ask you.
when a number is raised to 0, when it's 2 raised to 0, won't it be 1 then?
Listen.
Oh, because we're doing x. Okay.
Listen to me, Sarah. When we are talking about polynomials, we think about the power on the variable, not on the number, right? So 2 means it is 2x raised to 0. It is a degree 0 polynomial. This is a degree 0 polynomial. We call it constant, right? Constant polynomial. Degree is 0. Now, is it smaller than this? What degree is this? What degree does this have?
This has 1.
1. See, this one has larger degree than this one. So we stop dividing. We cannot divide any further.
Yeah.
But the idea, whenever we talk about degree, think about the power on x. Okay? Power on the variable, not on the numbers.
Okay.
By the way, it was not 2. It was, remainder was 0 here.
Okay.
See, I'll have to grab this and write it. Correct. So we're done. This is the long division. Got me? Now, if you were to check whether it is correct or not, what are you gonna do?
So we're gonna do.
You just say it.
Yeah, we're gonna do the divisor into quotient into remainder.
Into remainder.
Yeah.
Into remainder, is it?
Sorry, plus remainder.
Yes. Checking. Let me use a different color. Check for verification. So we are going to have divisor.
So 7x minus
Quotient plus remainder. Divisor is 7x minus 9. Quotient is 2x minus 5. And remainder is c. So help me over. Are you trying it?
Yeah.
Okay. Go on, try it yourself.
Okay. Yes, I got the same answer as same. It is 14x square minus 53x plus 45.
See, that's what checking means, right? It's a beautiful thing. Long division, that is. So I don't need to do this. I think it's okay, right? Fantastic. Now it can get larger and larger. Look, here we are having this as divisor, right? What is the degree of divisor, Sarah?
here the degree is 2.
So when do we stop dividing in the long division method?
When it becomes 1.
Yes, the degree is 1. That is a linear. When we get a linear polynomial in the division, we'll stop.
Okay.
Right? Okay,
Yeah.
let's do it. Let's do it together. This time I will not speak much. Okay, I will ask you. Check. Let me check. Let me just check. It may be correct. Okay, I have not done it before, so I don't know. I can just write for you. Have I taken questions where remainder is 0? Okay, let me just give it a try. X squared minus 5x plus 6, and we are dividing x cubed minus 6x squared plus 11x minus 6. Okay, so what did you take as the first term in question?
X.
X. Very good. Because we just have x cubed. When you multiply x to the whole expression in the divisor, what are you going to get?
You're going to get x cubed
X cubed
minus 5x squared
okay.
plus 6x.
Wow, you seem to be absolutely correct, girl. Let me just complete this. Then I'll confirm. There's a minus over here, plus over here, and minus over here. So first term is cancelled. What did you get as the simplification over here? Simple subtraction.
So it's going to be x squared.
Just x squared or minus x squared?
Sorry, minus x squared.
Minus x squared.
Oh, wait, 1 second. Where am I reading? 1 second step, right? Minus, wait, where am I? Okay, yeah. Minus x squared minus 5, minus x squared plus 5x minus 6.
Okay, good. This is cool. And what did you take as the second term in the equation?
Minus 1.
Wonderful. So what are you going to get?
So you're going to get
Multiply
minus x
minus x squared, okay,
plus 5x
plus 5x
minus 6.
minus 6. Wonderful. So you are absolutely correct, actually. We got the remainder as x minus 1. And, sorry, the, what to say? The quotient as x minus 1 and remainder as 0, right?
Yeah.
So good, so good, so it was by coincidence that I took these two questions with remainder 0, okay? I will take one more question. You have time, right?
Yes.
Okay. One more question to understand long division. Suppose you are to divide x squared minus 2. Or let's say 5x squared minus 2 by x plus 1. What are you going to do?
So we'll take the...
Hang on. I'll change it. I'll change it to x cubed. Yeah.
Five x cubed.
Mm-hmm. 5x. Fantastic. Look, how did you do it? I mean, what did you get as quotient and remainder? Tell me, please.
The quotient I got it as 5x squared
5x
plus 5.
squared plus
Sorry,
5x
minus 5x. Minus 5x
minus 5x, okay,
plus 5.
plus 5. And
Yeah.
remainder?
I got it as minus 7.
minus
Negative.
7.
Yeah.
Okay, let me try it. Okay, so what am I gonna do is, look, just try to understand what I'm trying to do it. Although you may be correct, yeah, I'm not saying that you are incorrect or right away, but how I do it, just see it. I told you the standard form of writing a polynomial, right? The missing terms must be written in between. So 5x
Okay.
cube, we don't have a x squared term, so I'm introducing it.
Okay.
There is no x term, so I'm introducing it. And then we have, is it fine, Sarah?
Yeah, okay.
Okay. Now we are dividing it by x plus 1.
Yeah.
This is already in standard form, the divisor. There is no issue with the divisor. Okay.
Yeah.
Sometimes you'll find divisor like this, okay, 1 minus 2x. You'll have to change it to standard form, okay?
Okay.
What are you going to do? How will it become a standard polynomial?
So it'll be minus 2x
Very good. Plus 1,
plus,
right? So you got to make it standard, okay? All right. So let's go on to do it. We have to take 5x first, 5x squared, wonderful. This is going to be 5x cubed plus 5x squared, 100. Subtraction. So you are absolutely correct up to here. 5x squared plus 0x minus 2. Okay, next we took minus. Why did you take minus? Oh, okay. It's my mistake actually.
yeah.
So minus 5x. Very good. Minus 5x squared. Uh, 0. Sorry, this must be minus 5x. Very good, Sarah. You did it. You're fine with it. So this is 5x minus 2. And we take a 5 over here.
Yeah.
5x plus.
Okay.
Real cool. Real cool. Got it. Now, please try to verify when you do it, right? When you do questions of this kind, try to verify yourself whether you are correct or not. So to verify, you are just gonna multiply this with this and add 7, right? You know it, right?
Yeah.
You can check. All right, so it's 26 past 12 already. We will end it because you have another class, right? At 12:30.
Yeah,
Okay.
I do.
Okay, then enjoy your time. Have a very happy Diwali, right? Bye-bye.
Bye, sir. Thank you.